Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. That's how it goes on your birthday, right? Gotta celebrate every day, but especially on your birthday. Today, I'm gonna spend my birthday looking good, hopefully. So, I'm just gonna do some curls. Let's do some curls for the birthday. Let's be about it. Be about turning old. Having grays. But feeling good, who cares? Turning old. I can't turn old. I got 2 little kids. 2 big kids. Ain't no time for turning old. Let's just curl all the hair back today. I don't have no plans for my birthday. You get older and you feel like it's just another day. I'm off today though, so I can get into some trouble. Do what I want to do, say what I want to say, live how I want to live, play how I want to play. That's right. I still don't really care, because it's my birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. You gonna curl your hair on your birthday? You gonna wanna tease your hair on your birthday? No one else gives a fuck about your birthday, so you better. I want to thank a couple of people that are still bearing with me, watching my videos. I need to start putting them on Twitter and get all them people searching for their Trump videos. I'm just going to put them on Twitter, and my little thing is going to be Trump hair, Trump hair, Trump hair. So maybe one of them will go viral because someone will be watching it and they'll be like, Trump hair? I'll do me like a back comb, swirl, roundabout, bring the hair from back here and do it up here and tease it. Hashtag Trump hair. And maybe, just maybe, Paul Mitchell will send me some freeze and shine. Hello, Paul Mitchell. Love you long time, give me freeze and shine. That's gonna be the t-shirt that I make. Love you long time, give me freeze and shine. People are gonna be like, what the frick is that shirt about? None of your damn business. If you don't know, get out of here. I have at the salon, I have Freeze and Shine, and I have the Sebastian spray. And now the Sebastian spray smells like old school, kind of Aquanet, kind of your grandma, okay? I swear every grandma is like, oh my gosh, I love the smell of that. And every young person is like, please do not spray that on my hair. What is the smell of that? It smells like mothballs and alcohol or something. I don't know, but every time I spray my freeze and shine, ooh, love that smell. Love that smell. It helps to freeze and shine. Freeze. That's what we need in our life. That's what I need. If I could turn back time. Let's make a song. If I can freeze and shine. lay it all on you. Then your hair will look just as good as new. I don't know why I curled the way I did. I don't know why my hair looks so thin. But I'm gonna tease it up and spray Freeze and Shine. Me and Cher coming up with Paul Mitchell's new Freeze and Shine theme song. Watch out, it's coming. My nose is so runny. I think I have super allergies. And I heard that like drinking camel's milk helps with allergies and digestion and immune stuff, and so I might go get me some. Next time you see me, I might be fabulous drinking my camel's milk. Alright, so birthday hair. Everybody needs this kind of birthday hair, don't we? Let's do this piece. I need something bigger and fatter and better. Get a couple of curls up top. A little. Ooh, hear that sizzle? Sizzle, iron sizzle. Yes. And now, for the grand finale. Curling iron is about to fall off and burn up my house. You won't see me making no more videos once my house burns down. There we go. Back combing, because I like it wild. When you're 41, you gotta have your hair look wild. Plus my Freeze and Shine in there. And today, this day on my birthday, I'd like to say I hope everybody's having a great day. Enjoy today. If you like this video, press the like, 2 thumbs up, 5 thumbs up, tell your friends, subscribe, tell everybody, check it out. This girl's styling her hair every day. We should be doing it too, please. Say you're gonna do it with me. Tell me your stories, comment below if you have been trying to style your hair too. I need to know. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.